almost 13 here, and I'm here to show you some of my Pokemon plushies. And this is my little sister Michaela. So
Hi. I'm Michaela.
she likes to talk. Alright, my title is called Pokemon on an Airplane. I know this is a Barbie airplane, but I really don't care. So, alright, this is the airplane. And the Pokemon starring will be munna, snivy, tediursa, and zekrom. Alright, everybody get on the plane. Oops, I gotta fix the plane for you. Alright, zekrom, you're the pilot. Come, Michaela. Help me put the guys in. Right, there's zekrom. I gotta make sure it's in the right place. Tediursa, snivy, and munna are the passengers here. Give me munna. Munna is my little sister's guy, so she helped me with this video. Alright, we're closing the airplane. Prepare for takeoff. Oops. Alright, we're backing up. Ready, Michaela? We're ready on your permission. Say 3, 2, 1. Take off! What's happening? What's happening? Earthquake! The airplane! Ready? They're gonna try taking off again, Michaela. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Oh no, the door opened! We have to fix the airplane. Hello, it's Zekrom Airport. We have to fix the door.
Oh my gosh! Help us! Help us! Help us!
Oh look, they're landing now. Oh great! They landed! Luckily they didn't die. Pokemon didn't die. Yay! I don't know why I did that. That was random. Alright. Say hi, Zekrom.